Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the SoundPeats Air 3. And SoundPeats is one of those companies that just continues to come out with impressive products. It seems like every time they release something, they elevate the product in some way, and they manage to do so at affordable prices. So the Air 3 are a pair of semi-in-ear earbuds similar to the early generation AirPods, and they're a follow-up to the True Air 2 from SoundPeats, which were another semi-in-ear earbud that were very lightweight, very compact, had great sound quality, and they just did everything really well. Well, now the Air 3, they have all of that and then some. They're even more compact. They have great sound quality again, and then they have even a few more advanced features that the True Air 2 don't have. So let's go ahead and check these out, starting off with the charging case. So the charging case is super lightweight, it's super compact, it has a very slim profile. On the front you have a pairing or a reset button, and then right above that you have a single LED indicator to help you gauge your battery life. You do have some branding featured on the lid, and then on the underneath is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. Overall, you're getting a nice case, and despite the small size, it's still giving you some really good build quality. That same lightweight, compact design continues with the earbuds. You can see you have some branding featured on the touch surface. And again, these are semi-in-ear earbuds, so no silicone ear tips, which is going to give you a much more comfortable fit. You've got a total of 4 microphones between the two earbuds, so we'll be sure to do a microphone test later in the video. So the Air 3 are running Bluetooth 5.2, and they feature aptX Adaptive, which is going to provide low latency, which is great for gaming and watching videos. And it's also going to adjust to give you the best audio experience based on your environment as well as the type of content that you're streaming. So this is one of the upgrades that you're getting compared to the True Air 2. Another upgrade is in-ear detection. So this means that anytime you remove one of the earbuds from your ear, your music will automatically pause. This way, if you need to have a conversation, or maybe if you need to listen to an announcement, you can do that without having to pull out your phone. And then once you put the earbud back in your ear, your music will automatically resume. So this is a very convenient feature to have. These also support independent use, which means you can use either the left or the right earbud while the other remains inside of the charging case. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 5 hours on a single charge, and that extends to about 17 hours including the case. If you typically use your earbuds in the gym or outdoors, these have an IPX5 rating, which means if they happen to get wet, they're going to hold up just fine, but it's not a pair that you want to completely submerge in water. So another upgrade is the gaming mode. So this is a convenient feature to have if you're an avid gamer, or if you just tend to watch a lot of videos and movies. It's going to help cut down on that latency even more so and keep it to a minimum. Now let's go ahead and talk about the fit. So these are going to give you an extremely comfortable fit. The fact that they don't have any silicone ear tips, along with the fact that they're so lightweight, is going to give you very minimal ear fatigue. Along with that, this is one of those pairs where you don't need an ambient mode or anything like that, because without ear tips sealing off your ear, you're still able to hear the ambient sounds going on around you. So if you're the type of person that doesn't like that closed off feeling that you get with silicone ear tips, this is going to be a great pair for you to check out. As far as the touch controls, they work great, and they give you control over everything. So you get your play and pause, your track forward, your track backward, your volume controls, as well as your voice assistant. And you can also activate that gaming mode that we talked about. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So these are using 14.2mm drivers. And the thing about semi-in-ear earbuds is that you're going to sacrifice on sound quality somewhat, and that's mostly in terms of bass. Earbuds with ear tips quite simply have an advantage when it comes to sound quality. Now, with that being said, these still give you a very impressive and overall enjoyable sound. The mids and highs are balanced very well. It gives you nice clarity and presence without sounding overly sharp. And then in terms of bass, it's not quite as aggressive or as punchy as a pair of earbuds with ear tips, but it still gives you that low end presence to balance out the mids and highs. So overall, the sound is balanced extremely well. It's a very full sound. It's a very detailed sound. And honestly, these are up there with some of the best sound quality that you're going to find in a semi-in-ear earbud. And on top of that, you're getting plenty in terms of max volume. So like I mentioned, you're getting a total of 4 microphones, and they feature CVC noise canceling technology, which is designed to eliminate background noise and focus on your voice. Something else that's really cool about these earbuds is that if you're on a phone call and you remove one of the earbuds from your ear, it will automatically shut that earbud off and only use the earbud that's still in your ear for the phone call. And then if you take both earbuds out while you're on a phone call, they both will automatically shut off and you can resume the call on your phone like you would normally. So you don't have to wait until the earbuds are back in their case or go into your phone's Bluetooth settings to disconnect from the earbuds. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test of the SoundPeats Air 3 True Wireless earbuds. So this should give you a pretty good idea as to how you would sound if you choose to use these for phone calls. As you can see, I'm outdoors. There's quite a bit of noise going on. There's some sirens going off in the background, and you might be able to hear the cicadas, the bugs buzzing around in the background as well. So it could probably cancel out those noises a little bit better, but altogether, I think it picks up my voice pretty well. So overall, if you're looking for a semi-in-ear earbud, these are going to be an excellent choice. They're compact, they're lightweight, easily portable, and they're bringing everything the True Air 2 has to offer and then some. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media at CEO in the Making to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys next time.